Before we begin, here is what we can confirm and what we cannot. There are viral claims circulating online that Iran Supreme Leader Ali Khamenei has been killed in joint US-Israel airstrike. As of this recording, there is no official confirmation from the United States, Israel, or Iran that Khamenei has been killed. In moment like this, misinformation spread fast. So instead of amplifying and verifying report, let's focus on what actually matters. If such is scenario were true, and what is happening right now is the region. Here, what we know, tension between Israel and Iran are extremely high. There are reports of missile activities or drone interceptions. Israel air defense system, the Iran Bumi has been activated multiple times in recent days. There are also concerns about possible disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz, one of the most critical oil chokepoints in the world. Roughly 20 to 30% of global seaborne oil passes through that narrow corridors. If that waterway is even potentially disrupted, globally energy price could spike immediately. That affect everyone's. If Iran's supreme leaders were killed, what what would happen? Iran political system is structured to survive leadership lose. The Islamic Republic has a bull in a succession process. The assemble of experts select a new supreme leaders. The system does not automatically collapse when one individual is removed. More importantly, the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, the IRGC, remain operations regardless of how old the top religious status. History shows something about that. One leader are removed through external forces. Regions often hardens, not because region escalating is the real risk. If a senior Iranian leaders were target, realization would be almost certain. Potential consequences could include missile strike on Israel cities, attack on US bases in the Gulf, proximity activity in Lebanon, Iraq, or Syria, disruptions to global shipping routes. This would not be a claims to contain event. It would risk a regional war. The political question and US military action against Iran raises serious legal and constitutional questions. Under the US Constitution, Congress hold an authority to declare war. Large-scale military operation without congressional authorization would spark immediate damages in Washington beyond legality. There is a strategy. Regions change war in modern history from Iraq to Libya have really unfolded. The world leader and entirely predicated. Removing one figure does not automatically produce stability. The human reality, the Iranian people have lived under heavy political pressure for decide. Many oppose the region, many want freedom. The what war begins, united consequence, civilian cultures, economics, complex regional instabilities. It is possible to oppose authorization leadership while also opposition reckless escalating. Those are not contradictory positions. The bottom line right now, there is no verified confirmation that Ali Khamenei has been killed. There is rising tension across the region. Oil market are watching the Strait of Hormuz. Israel defense system are not active, and the risk of miscalculating is extremely high. In a moment like this, accuracy matter more than speed. We will continue monitoring verifying scores of official statements, stay informed, stay critical, and be cautious about unformed and confirming breaking claims separated all, and we shall bring you update as a fact, not rumors emerges.